Hi everybody. In this video, we will show how you can replace track rod end on Volkswagen Polo 4 on your own. See the description below to follow the links to our web store where you can buy the spare parts. Loosen the wheel mounting bolts. Remove the front wheels. Use an open-end wrench No 13 and No 21. Loosen the lock nut securing the tie rod end to the tie rod. Use a socket No 18. Unscrew the end fastening nut to the steering knuckle. Use a special puller to take the tie rod end out. Screw the end out of the tie rod. Screw on a new tie rod end. Place the end cone into the steering knuckle. Use a socket No 18. Tighten the clamp nut on a new tie rod end. Use an open-end wrench No 21. Tighten the tie rod end lock nut. Install the wheel. Thank you for watching our video tutorials. If you enjoyed watching this one, click a thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.